updates.
At New Market Road around Oniru, accreditation of voters and actual voting did not commence until about 9:30 a.m. Security presence was impressive, with policemen and other operatives having little to do, however. Some skirmishes were caught by our cameras at some areas, while at some other centers, all seem to have gone well, as confirmed by party agents.
We are not fighting. We are brothers. One single family, no one here.
There's no any problem at all. I'm the security agent. They are doing their work. There's no any crisis. There's nothing.
The program, whatever the result that we made there will be accepted by me. And I'm very sure that the results will be very tangible result, and there will be no any inside it.
People have to be educated more, sensitization, not that you can also educate your neighbors, educate other people, educate your children, because parents are there. Why would you not want your children to cast their votes? So how do you now put the right people in office? But so far so good, it's peaceful. And I think that's the beginning of what true democracy should be like.
We are meet them, we are telling them, they say, what is the purpose of coming out to vote? Because they are not enjoying anything from the government, everything is cost. So that is why they say they are not ready to vote again.